Okay. Another BISEK CRUISER battery. On the output, we've got nothing with the switch either way. The charger did go red for a little bit, did take a charge. As with the others, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws to take it apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this one's got a fuse. This one's got a melted fuse. Ah, slightly different style. Got connectors inside this one for the charge port, which is nice. And oh, it's alive. Blown fuse. So don't know if it'll focus or not, but that fuse is definitely blown, just to prove it. Beep mode. No beep. 30 amp fuse, that one is. If I look in my fuses, 30 amp looks kind of green, doesn't it? 30 amp green. Put that in there. And now, on the output, go back to DC volts. 54.6 volts. On, off, drops all the way down. That's, you know, the switch is working, it's turning it on and off. On, off. Great.